Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CR Guru YouTube classes. So today my topic is rule of divisibility with large numbers. You know very well in the schooling stage, divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 11 you know very well. But in the competitive exams purpose, if it is any large numbers are given, how to do the particularly, like for example 79, 89, the divisibility, how to do that. Okay, now I want to explain very large numbers are given, large number of divisibility rules, how to do that. So I want to explain you, my dear friends. So now, before I started the topic, my dear friends, till now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Now only please subscribe and click the bell symbol. Then my next notifications will come in your mobile. Okay. So thank you all. Right. So now I start the topic, my dear friends. So first of all, ending with the digits of primes, either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. So these numbers, unit digits are 1, 3, 5, 7. What are the primes? The prime numbers. So divisibility rules I want to explain you, my dear friends. Next, based on that, now here 1 and 9 and 3 are 7 different categories. Suppose if it is 1 and 9 means, now once you observe 1 and 9, 1 comma 9 are called as complements. What is meant by complement? Complement is nothing but sum of the two digits is belongs to 10. Then the two digits are called as complement to each other, my dear friends. See, once you observe here, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 means 1 complement is 9, 9 complement is 1, my dear friends. So similarly, here 3 and 7. So if it is 3 complement is 7, 7 complement is 3, my dear friends. Okay, so now based on that, ending with the digits of primes 1 comma 9. These two are same future, no? 1 comma 9. So before I am going to explain, ending with the digit of prime, unit digit is having 9. What are the examples? 19, 29, next 59, 79, 89. So these are ending with 9 prime numbers. So now what is the divisibility rule means? So before I am explaining that, what is the divisibility rule of 19? Divisibility rule of 19 means, so first of all, before I am going to explain here, see rule of this, here multiply unit digits with oscillator and add to the rest of the digits I am saying. So rest of the digits ROD plus oscillator into unit digit. You know that here rest of the digits, unit digits, you know very well. But what is meant by oscillator? What is meant by oscillator? Very simple, my dear friends. Suppose first of all I want a divisibility rule of 19 means, I consider as 19. 19 nearest round figure is what? Is nearby 20 only. How will get 20? 19 plus 1, you will get 20. 19 plus 1, you will get 20, my dear friends. So now cut 0. What is the remaining digit? 2. Now here 19 plus 1 only you will get means, so this is called as 2 plus. 2 plus is called the oscillator. Oscillators are two types, my dear friends. Oscillators are two types, either one is plus or minus. If it is plus oscillator or minus oscillator, that are called as the types of oscillators. Here 19 plus 1 is equals to 20 means this is nothing but plus oscillator, my dear friends. Plus oscillator. So that's why based on that, what is the rule means, we multiply unit digits with oscillator and add to the rest of the digits. So now I am going to explain one sum, my dear friends. 361. 361, my dear friends. How if it is this 361 number is divisible by 19 or not. How to do that means, so here one procedure. First of all, you segregate the unit digit number. You segregate the unit digit number. In the unit digit number is multiplied with oscillator. Which is the oscillator? 2. Multiplied by 2. How much you get here? 1 2s are 2. If you are adding the rest of the digits, see, once see the definition. Rest of the digits means we multiply unit digit with oscillator. Multiply unit digit with oscillator. Oscillator is 2. After that, this result is added to the rest of the digits. Rest of the digits are 36. So if you add it to these two, so then you will get 38. If it is 38 is divisible by 19. Why? Because 19 2s are 38. 38 is divisible by 19. So then the 361 number is also divisible by 19, my dear friends. You know the divisibility rule of 19. So next you are ending with 9. Explaining for divisibility of 89. 89 divisibility rule I want to explain you, my dear friends. So simply suppose here now I consider 89. 89 nearest round figure is how much? 89 nearest round figure is 90. So how will get 90 means 89 plus 1 is nothing but 90 will come. 90 will come. So actually cut 9. What is the oscillator here? 9. This is called as here 89 plus 1. If it is adding with 1, you will get 90 means. So that's why this is called as oscillator is 9 plus. Oscillator is 9 plus, my dear friends. Now I am explaining for first question for divisibility rule of 89, whether 809 is divisible by 89 or not. How? I will explain you. Listen, friends. First of all, you segregate the unit digit number. Your unit digit number here multiplied with oscillator. What is the oscillator? 9. 9 9s are 81. 81. This is the plus oscillator means adding these two. So this is nothing but how much? 1. 18 plus 18 is nothing but 161. So whether 161 is divisible by 89 or not, we don't know. So again, same process you can apply here also. Unit digit segregate and multiplied by oscillator. So 9 ones are how much? 9. 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. This 25 is not divisible by 89. So this 809 is also not divisible by 89, my dear friends. Okay. So now I am going to explain second question, my dear friends. See, 1068 whether it is divisible by 89 or not. So this is very simple process, my dear friends. If you are practicing more than 10 or 15 sums, based on that very large numbers, you take and practice 10 or 15 sums, definitely you will get the divisibilities are very easy. After 11, many of them 90% people say they don't know. But then once you check it this, so 1068 whether it is divisible by 89 or not. See what is my process. First of all, you segregate the unit digit number. Unit digit number here, unit digit is multiplied by with oscillator is 9. Oscillator is 9. 8 9s are 72, my dear friends. 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. 7 1. So whether 178 is divisible by 89 or not, I don't know. So again you are applying same process. So now 8 is multiplied by 9. 8 9s are 72. So again these steps adding with the rest of the digits now. So now here you will get 89. So 89 is divisible by 89. Then 1068 is divisible by 89. So this is the process, my dear friends. Okay, so now I'll take one more sum, my dear friends. So now we are 18067 whether it is divisible by 89 or not. Same process. First of all, you segregate the unit digit number multiplied with oscillator. Oscillator is 9. So if it is 7 9s are 63. If you are adding this rest of the digits, 9, 6, 8, 1. Okay, again you segregate unit digit number, my dear friends. So again it is multiplied with oscillator is 9, 9 nines are 81. So then how to add this means 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1, 267 friends. Whether 267 is divisible by 89 or not. So may or may not. So that's why again you are applying for same process. So then it will be divided unit digit number, again it is multiplied by 9. So 7 nines are how much friends? 7 nines are 63. So then 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. Yes. This remainder is 89. So that 89 is divisible by 89. So then this 18067 number is also divisible by 89 fraction of seconds, my dear friends. So now here 6 digits number is given. 6 digits number, whether it is divisible by 89 or not, without doing normal division. But how to find, my dear friends? Fraction of seconds, very easy, you know very well process. Now same process you can apply. Unit digit is segregate and multiply by the unit digit means like oscillator. So now 4 nines are 36, my dear friends. 36. If you are adding rest of the digits, 6 plus 3 is 9. This is 8, 5, 4, 4. Then this 6-digit number will come 5-digit number, reduces to 5-digit number. So again segregate the unit digit number, my dear friends. So multiply by unit digit with oscillator. 9 nines are 81. Adding with the rest of the digits. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1, 5, 4. Again this 5-digit number will come, reduces to 4 digits number, my dear friends. Okay, again you segregate the unit digit number. So then what will happen? It is multiplied with oscillator. 9 nines are 81. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 534. So then that it is reduces to 3-digit number. Then again you apply same process, friends. So unit digit is multiplied by 9. 9 fours are 36, my dear friends. 9 fours are 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes, 89 is divisible by 89. Then this total number is also divisible by 89, my dear friends. So this is divisible by 89. It is wonderful shortcut, my dear friends. So this is today's my topic, my dear friends. So friends, if you like my video, please like and share to your friends and subscribe and click the bell symbol. So then my next notifications will come to your mobile, my dear friends. Okay, thank you all.